Mr. Vanderhaden, the head coach of the cross-country team. And how did the team do this year, Mr. Vanderhaden?
Well, we've had a really very rewarding season. It's been a pleasure to coach a very large cross-country team this season. We had about 60 runners out. Our overall boys team, that would be the combined team of the midgets, juniors, and seniors, were 4th overall. So that qualified the entire boys team for WASA Championships last week. And the girls were 3rd overall. Our midget girls were silver medalists at conference, and they won conference, so our junior girls are conference champs. So the entire girls team qualified for WASA as well. Our top midget boy through the season was Charlie McConville. He consistently was in the top 20 range in his races. Junior boys, Joel Whalen led that team. And senior boys, right up front runners, Jeff Skufko was our top runner. Dan Perna was in there with him as well. And they were 4th at conference. The midget girls team came together after about the 2nd week of our season, and they were pretty much undefeated through the season. So these girls are a really, really great team, and of course they're going to OSA this week, to the OSA Championships at Thunder Bay. Alicia Dariano and Amanda Garvin led that team of midget girls, but the top 4 on that team are all very strong runners, which is why they've done so well throughout the season. Our junior girls team really came on near the end of the season. Pretty much London Central was unbeatable throughout the season, so I think they were kind of surprised by our junior girls when we beat them at London Conference. And Stephanie Barbin was 5th overall at WASA. She'd be considered one of the top runners in her age group in the City of London and this region. Senior girls also did very well throughout the season, and they were led by Nicole DeVoe, our top senior girl. So midget girls and junior girls are getting on the commercial aircraft Thursday night, heading to Thunder Bay. In the years that I've been coaching, we haven't had an OSA championship that far from home, but it's all coming together, and we're pretty excited and really looking forward to that.